Hello, we are Team Oxtoma and this is SIH Project 25033. Imagine screening thousands of internship applications in minutes, not weeks. A system that's intelligent, fair and transparent. Welcome to the AI-powered Internship Allocation engine for the PM Internship Scheme. Now the traditional recruitment is overwhelming. Manual screening is time-consuming and may prone to bias. Fake portfolios make it harder to find genuine talent, and poor location matching leads to high dropout rates. We have proposed a solution that addresses all of this. Our platform performs 360-degree candidate analysis fusing data from resumes, GitHub, LinkedIn, and certificates. Our confidence scoring system evaluates skills, projects, and critically location readiness.
Now, let us move towards the prototype of the candidate selection dashboard. On this dashboard, the candidates are instantly ranked based on their confidence scoring, their skills, and their roles. By tapping on the candidate's profile, we will receive a pop-up in which there would be information of that particular candidate. As well, the links for the GitHub profile, the LinkedIn profile, and the certifications would be provided. This is purely for the authentication. The skill info and the project info would be authenticated by this. The information available on our fingertip, we might reject or accept the particular candidate. Now, at the top right corner, there's a counter named required. This tells us about the remaining candidates who are not yet selected or not rejected. As we have seen, the required counter decreases by accepting 2 candidates. Now, these are the candidates who are remote as well as the on-site. What if there would be a filter for these remote and on-site candidates? So this filter of location is available on the left-hand side. This filters out the candidates who are working on-site or who might be working remote. Let us accept some of the candidates to showcase them in the shortlisted candidates list. As you might see, the required counter is also decreasing. Now, let us change the filter to remote. There's an option for more candidates. It gives extra 10 candidates for the efficiency. The shortlisted candidates are showcased here, in which the candidates we have selected are listed down. Now, let us reject some of the candidates for the further information. But what the candidates who are rejected have to be done with? We'll send a feedback to them. That is rejection with learning. This feedback is AI-based feedback but with manual intervention. That is, an authority might give opinion or update, edit this feedback so that the candidate would get the satisfactory required reason for the rejection, by which they can do the progress in the fields which they are lacking in.